your baby? All right, okay. You love your baby? All right, okay. No, no? All right, okay. Only you can say it? Oh, so sweet. She can say it now? Your big sister's walking you around?
Dancing so you'll feel better. Harder up in that thing.
I know what you like. You want some tomatoes? Mmm. Mmm.
I'm gonna take all of them.
Mmm. Mmm. Rosie. Wesley, no. You gotta share. You gonna share your woohoo? Share. In the soup, we have garbanzo bean shells. We found these at our local Whole Foods. They are a great replacement for regular pasta. Here's what the soup is looking like right now. Now for a nice little goat cheese flair, we take a little bit of vegan mozzarella cheese, sprinkle a little bit of basil on it, and that's basically it. Oh, they're puffy.
Ooh, look at that cheese.
Impossible. Impossible. I got something impossible.
15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he heffing. Core with digits, give him estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby. LABB been the team, baby. Bim Papa, word the G, baby. Look, labs till I'm finished. Had a handful of lemons through the hand. Got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket. Talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave. And I'm flipping the